posture pole device. What we're going to be doing is laying our body over the posture pole, and it's going to be opening up our chest and getting these muscles in here, the pecs, nice and stretched out. It's basically reversing that hunch posture that we end up doing at our desks, computers, phones, texting. So the way we do this is we lay the device down. You can use anything from a rolled up yoga mat to rolled up towels. A foam roller works really well because it's nice and hard and will push your spine forward. We then want to lay our whole body on the device. I actually prefer to have my lower back and bum on the towel or a pillow because then it's not so hard if you're using a foam roller. So I'll put my body down there. I want the rest of my body laying along the foam roller. And then I'm just going to put both arms out to the sides. I'm going to have my palms up, and then I can start to feel a nice stretch through here. And you can just lay here breathing. You can move your arms around forward and down and just really feel where you start to feel a stretch. And I'm going to lay here for about 2 to 3 minutes. I can work my way up to 15 minutes. To get back up, I'm going to roll onto my side and push myself up with a nice straight spine.